Hey, hello, welcome dear viewers to another episode of the Triggre Weekend Masterclass. And today I am going to discuss a function with you, and that is the function sum. So you want to add up all the amounts that are in your list and save them. We are going to do that in relation to an order, and the order has specific products linked to it. And those products have different prices. And of course, in the end, I would like to know the total price of all the products that I've ordered. And to do so, we are going to add a property to the data item, total price, and we are going to add the function to the flow part, which calculates the total price of all the products that we selected and store that at the order. So let's go to the design and to the data item first, because like I said, we need to save at the order the total price of all the products that we have. So we have a number. Prices typically consist of 2 decimals. We say total price. Right. Done. And now we are going to change the flow parts that we have. So we have a flow part new order. Already done a lot of stuff there. And like I said, we are going to add a action there to sum up all the amounts of all the products that we selected. We are going to do that over here. I'm going to remove this little part. So I'm going to add a new action. New calculation, so to speak. And that calculation will have a function, and that function is sum. Well, let me see where it is. We have numbers over here. And here it is. We see sum of A. And that means that it will automatically sum up all the items that you provided. So in this case, we want to sum up the prices of each product. So we have inputs, products, and we say price. There you go. We say next, and we say sum of price of products. Don't forget to save this, because else you'll lose it. Okay. Going to do that over here because I can do it over here as well. I already have a save, an edit action for this order, and I'm going to store the total price here as well, which is a number from the flow part, sum up prices of products. But I am also going to rename this action, because else I won't know that I also sum up prices here. So it's save PDF and sum up prices. There you go, done. And of course, you also want to know if this actually works. So I'm going to change the user flow as well, so you will see the end result. So we go to orders, to the overview, and then we're going to say, we're going to add the property of this data item, total price. It will be in the end, it's fine. And now we are going to publish our application. Okay, so the application has been republished, and let's create a new order, because you can already see the total price over here, the column. So let's create a new order so that we can see the actual total price that we want to see. So let's add 3 products, Windows, Office, and a laptop. Press save. Well, you can calculate quickly, of course, what the total sum will be, but I'm going to wait until Triggre is going to calculate it for me. And as you can see, apparently the total price is 831.7. That does make sense, at least 0.7. But it's the total amount that you see here. So it works. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. I see it's time to hit the subscribe button below. And I will see you next week.